Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio for your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here we have spatial audio. But firstly, it's not available, at least at the settings, for Apple devices, so you cannot find it in the settings. And the second one, not all Android phones have it, so you may not have it. Now, to enable it, just tap at the slider near to it, and if it have a colorful background, I mean the slider, it means that it's enabled. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!